Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit and apply a white background to your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to go to the video cutout and I'll just select auto cutout. Then you're going to go to basics and you're going to go to canvas and you're just going to select color and you're just going to select the white one. If you want to add more stuff, just place this on top, go to media, go to background. And if the duration is too short, let's use this one actually. If the duration is too short, just freeze frame it and just place it there. If you want to make the background more colorful, you're just going to add in some stickers like so. I'm going to add in these watermelon stickers because I love the fruit watermelon, and I'm just going to add these all around the background and making sure that it's behind the person. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!